Good morning, friends. Today is January 27th, 2021. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time. Our first job is we are going to write the equation, number tree, story, picture, and answer for the calendar piece. So when we look at today's calendar, it is January 27th, so I'm turning over today's card, and they have the equation for me. So 27 equals 7 plus box. Please write that down. 27 equals 7 plus box. Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty, so now friends, you're going to make a number tree that matches that equation. So again, you're going to make your own number tree to match that equation. Press pause if you need more time. Now you're going to write a story. Again, they don't have a topic for us. They just have the equation for us. So you pick your topic, but make sure that your numbers match the equation and the number tree. Press pause if you need more time. Now you're going to make a picture. So again, when I'm making my picture, my topic would need to match the story that I just wrote. So my pictures would be that same topic. And again, my picture would match the story, number tree, and equation. So the numbers would all be the same. Press pause if you need more time for your picture. The last thing you need is an answer with a label. So you're going to solve this equation. And in this case, you made your own topic, so your label would match the topic that you chose. Press more time if you need more time for number one, or press pause if you need more time for number one. Alrighty, friends, we are moving on to number 2. Today you are drawing 2 coin collections that have a total of 100 cents. 2 coin collections that have a total of 100 cents. Again, we know that we can use the penny, which is 1 cent, the nickel, which is 5 cents, the dime, which is 10 cents, and the quarter, which is 25 cents. Press pause if you need more time. Number 3, we have now been in school for 78 days. That is the wrong number. I apologize for that. So 78 days. You're going to write an addition equation that equals 78, a subtraction equation that equals 78, tally marks to show 78, coins that have a value of 78 cents, and 10 sticks in 1 box to show 78. Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty, friends, now we are moving on to number 4, and today you are going to write 10 addition equations that equal 17. Feel free, if you can think of more than 10, to write more. There are plenty more, but again, our job is to write at least 10 addition equations that equal 17. Press pause if you need more time for number 4. Now we are moving on to number 5. You are going to write your numbers counting backwards. You are starting at 117. Starting at 117 and counting backwards down to 94. We are starting at 117 and we are counting backwards down to 94. All right, friends, have a wonderful Wednesday.